And we're at the Strat, and we are looking at Sons of Anarchy. We've never seen or played this game before, so this should be kind of interesting. Let's go, 60 cents. How do you get a bonus on this, do you think?
Sure.
What do you think the bonus symbol is? The A? Nope, it's obviously that one. There we go. Uh-oh, something happened. I think it was just a big hit. $1.24? Of course, we're only betting 60 cents, so... And it's wild. I've never seen Sons of Anarchy, so these people mean nothing to me.
Peg Bundy.
Is that Peg Bundy?
Not that one, the other one is.
It looks like Peg Bundy. Is it really?
Uh-huh.
Is that Peg Bundy?
Yep.
Whoa. Okay. Who's he? He looks familiar. I've seen him in other shows before.
In a lot of shows. He was the Beast in Beauty and the Beast TV show.
Oh, okay. Something is wild. The A's are wild, apparently. Okay, what happened here? Oh, because the A's are wild. I get it. So 30 times 11, 330? Yes, I can do math. Oh. It pays left to right and right to left, I guess. It must. Is that Peg Bundy again?
No, that's a different one.
That's a different person. Come on, where's Peg Bundy at? Is that Peg Bundy?
Yep.
It's really Peg Bundy that plays that part? Or it just looks like her?
No, it's really her.
Oh. Is this a Netflix thing? Well, we've blown through half our money. I've been pressing that button forever. It's not getting anywhere. You hit it once. Well, you didn't do anything either. Oh, a 30-cent Sons. Okay, I was off. Well, this is kind of crappy. It's a nice big game. I love the two-seater faction here. It's got a beautiful seat. We'll show you the seat. Uh-oh, Redwood Original didn't get anything? No, because there's no wild across there. I got $1.40. Whoa. They look too much alike. I would change that. Change the color on those people. Boom. Bonus. 446. It's not very good, huh? Uh-oh. Something happening now. No? Nothing happened. What'd it win? 14 cents? Boy, oh boy, last spin. Here we go. We need a dime to get another spin. And we did not get it. Look at that. Well, yeah. That was Sons of Anarchy. I'm not that impressed about that game. If I'm hard pressed, I'll do it, but otherwise. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Love you. Bye.